Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. So if you're having this problem, first of all what you can do is force stop WhatsApp. To force stop, open your recent applications and then click on the drop down menu under WhatsApp. Click on app info. Now simply click on force stop. Click on OK. Now check if your problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is check your volume levels. If your volume level is okay, then what you can do is open WhatsApp and check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is go back to the app info of your WhatsApp. Go to the permissions, scroll down until you see music and audio. Select that and check if the permission is allowed or not. If the permission is not allowed, then you can set it to allow and check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is simply press the power button on your phone and simply restart your phone. And hopefully after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's simply how you can fix WhatsApp voice message problem on your phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.